Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. This video is one of requirement to join ANTAM Fresh Graduate Program or AFGP. Before I explain the reason why I want to join AFGP, first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Reza Bagus. I am from Tidore in a part of Maluku Utara province. My vision is to become a professional engineer. Second of all, I was hoping to complete my bachelor degree at Hasanuddin University Makassar, which is Mechanical Engineering Department. The reason why I want to join ANTAM Fresh Graduate Program, as we know, ANTAM is one of the company in Indonesia that manage and processing of mineral resource. ANTAM itself owns a good management human resource that indicated since September 2007. The profit of ANTAM is increased as many as 230% based on their website, absolutely, and it's going to grow up until now. The ally with company that have good management human resource is expectation for each people, since the stability of the company is a guarantee for people to improve their career inside that company. ANTAM has also various kind of professional engineer. As I mentioned earlier, I want to become professional engineer, so I believe this is a good opportunity for me to improve my skill, to grow up my career as engineer with ANTAM in advance. So I intend to join ANTAM Fresh Graduate Program because I have basic experience about process control. So today I want to build some topic that related of process control. Process control system or control system process have been implemented in various kind of technology in the millennium era. Before I explain about control system process, I would like to start from control system process definition. So I start from the system itself. System is an interconnection of elements and devices for a desired purpose, while the process is device, plan, or system under control. The input and output relationship represent the cause and effect relationship of the process. So basically, control system process is a mechanism that alters the feature set of the system. There is such kind system, we want to get several output or output that we want. So in order to get what we want, we should consider the appropriate input. This is called control theory. Control theory is a part of control system. Control theory is a branch of mathematics that concerns a strategy to select appropriate input. For example, there is a triangle input. In order to alter the feature of the system that we want to get the ball output, we should firstly thinking about the appropriate input. Another example is a business system. A business system may consist of many groups. Each task assigned to group will represent a dynamic element of the system. A business system is a closed-loop control system or closed-loop system. A good design will reduce the managerial control required. Note that disturbance in this system are lack of personnel or material, interruption of communication, human error, and so on. The establishment of well-founded estimating system based on statistics. We must represent the dynamic characteristic of the component group of the system by a relatively simple set of equations. That's all from what I ever done and a little bit profile of me. Perhaps this video will be useful in advance. I'm Reza Bagus for ANTAM Fresh Graduate Program. See you.